Earth, our home planet, was formed 4.5 billion years ago. It was just a cloud of dust with no particular shape. So how was the Earth came into its original shape? How so much mass accommodated into this planet? So let's find the answer with our today's video titled How was the Earth formed? Firstly, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be caught up with all the coming videos. I have made a dedicated video on how the universe and its constituents were formed. The link is also flashed on your screen and I will put the link in the description box so that you could know the formation of the universe. About 6 billion years ago, the place where Earth is now, there was a huge dust of clouds called nebula. They are formed due to matter exploded from black holes or stars. As the matter continued to contract, the gravity increased and nebula started to form a spherical shape. Near this nebula, a star exploded and formed supernova. Its vibration was so strong that the center of gravity of nebula collapsed and it started angular rotation. A circle-shaped nebula changed into flat-shaped disk with no center of gravity. Due to this explosion, the mass distributed across the area. All the matter started to gather due to effect of gravity. Due to this continuous matter collection, the circumference of this started to collapse and the decrease in circumference caused increase in speed of rotation. And due to the high temperature, the process of nuclear fission started and formed our sun, and it was surrounded by protoplanetary disks, just like rings of Saturn surrounding the Saturn planet. This protoplanetary disk consisted of solid dust and gases, and of these, metals and silicates were one that could resist the heat of sun as their boiling point is very high and formed terrestrial planets, and the substances that could not resist the heat of sun formed gas giants, and the remaining particles formed the asteroid belt and Kuiper belt. From the time sun was born, rocks continued to collide with each other and formed five terrestrial planets. But now you would be thinking, we have learned that there are four terrestrial planets, but at the beginning there were Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Theia. But a small planet collided with Theia and its rock particles disbanded. Most of the part joined with other planets, but a part of it formed our moon, and this event is known as the Big Splash. And due to this increased gravity of Earth, the asteroid shower on Earth started. For about hundreds or thousands of years, this shower continued, and all the solids converted into liquid. And remember, Earth is still in its lava form. Due to this liquid molten form of lava, the heavier metals sinked and formed different layers like crust, mantle, inner core, and outer core. Asteroids caused very lighter elements to rise above and form Earth's atmosphere. But the vapors were still very toxic. But after the passage of time, gases reacted and formed water. But due to the intense heat, it existed in the form of vapors. But when Earth cooled, the vapor liquefied and rain fell on Earth and created first organism, bacteria. This bacteria absorbed sulfurs and carbons from air and released oxygen. Thus, toxic gases decreased and oxygen intensity increased. And this oxygen also created the ozone layer. But this increased oxygen intensity eventually killed this bacteria because oxygen was like a poison for them. But some of them survived and adapted according to the changing situations and started life on Earth. So that's the story about how the Earth was made suitable for life conditions. If you learned anything new today, like the video and share this video to all your friends and family members so that they can be updated. Leave a comment in comment box about what you think about this video. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be caught up with all the coming videos. Stay curious, stay safe, and stay on Factra.